When starting string mapping of the project, first we should make settings fitting to our project. In the String Mapping section, click on the String Mapping option. This will open another tab with ribbon with additional options. There is a Settings section with Cable Connections option. You can select one of two parameters, horizontal or vertical. Horizontal means that main string wires will connect modules in horizontal direction. Vertical means that main string wires will connect modules in vertical direction. Standard, we set vertical for east-west facing systems. Second setting we need to acquire is the wiring type for our system. On String Mapping ribbon, there is a Settings section with Settings option. This will open String Settings pop-up window. As you can see, there are a lot of options for initial string settings we need to determine. Select the wiring type you prefer for your project. It determines how the string will go through the modules. We have three options: bifilar, S-shape, and crossing. With bifilar, two cables will always be kept together. S-shape means the string goes from down to top and makes connection to each side of the row. Crossing, uneven and even modules will be connected. So plus and minus polarities will be placed near to each other. Set the common settings that determine visual string parameters on the drawing. Placements and width of string wire on the drawing, polarity and text parameters. There is a preview on the right that visualizes how settings changing affect the stringing. You can also change module sizes for preview to see how it can look with other modules' parameters. Click OK to adjust settings and navigate to the model space. You can save parameters you have set and use them for the next projects. Click Save as default button. Before configuring our strings, we need also to set such parameters as string order and row connection types. In the String Mapping ribbon, go to the String Order and Row Connection sections. String order determines from which side strings will start to follow each other. Left, starting from the left and goes on to right. Right, starting from the right and goes on to left. Row connection type determines on which side modules will attach each other. Bottom modules will be attached with interconnection wire from the bottom side. Top interconnection wire will be placed on the top. After we've made previous setting, we can then go on and string map our group. For simpler navigation in your system configuration, there are some options. Go to the String Navigation section. Here you can easily go through the transformers, inverters, and/or string by clicking one of the options. To navigate through transformers, previous transformer, and next transformer. To navigate left through inverters, back, first inverter, previous inverter, first string, and previous string. To navigate right through inverters, forward, next inverter, next string, and last string. In the String Navigator section, we can see info about the current active string. Current string name. State of the string. Absent if this string is not mapped yet. In the case you are working with this string, just now the quantity of the already selected needed modules for mapped strings quantity. Created if the string is already on the drawing. The sign near the string name can be red, yellow, or green depending on the string state. If you already have some strings placed in the drawing. And and you want to navigate to the first one that is not yet placed in the drawing. Then you can quickly find the first unmapped string just clicking on Reset option.